back guys, my name is Tyler Pro. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be selling my car into the chop shop. But what happened if I selling my old car, this Lambo, but I'm going to be destroyed to be old? And then sell to the chop stop in Gangstar Vegas. So comment down below what game do I prefer to play next, and let's jump right into this video. Alright, so right now we go to the Gangstar Vegas, and then I'm going to show you guys what chop shop is. Chop shop is you guys can sell your car, your motorbike, or anything. So you guys can sell it for price to get the money, and then you guys can buy some stuff or whatever guns. So right now I'm gonna be destroy this car to be old, and then we going to sell it. So let's destroy it. Okay, oh my god. And yeah, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. I will appreciate you guys. And yeah, let's destroy it. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Oh, my car has an LED. Wow. Yeah. Oh, I got a money. Oh, oh yeah. Oh my god. Let's destroy this car very quick. Then we send this car. Oh. Oh my god. Okay. I have a cool car. A cool LED. Oh my god. Oh. Oh, okay, so let's destroy this car. Oh. So, okay, so let's do. Oh yeah. So the car almost old. You guys can see it's very old. Why am I an idiot? Oh my god. Why I'm crashing the car? Let's shoot the car very quick, then it's faster than crashing. Wow. Oh. Let's go inside. Okay, so that's all enough. So yeah, let's put in into this car. How much is price? You guys can remember the price for me? I know, I guess it's 20,000. Okay, it's the same price, so make the thumbnail very quick, and yeah. Okay. So it's 25,300, I guess. Yes. So let's sell it. So guys, if you are destroy the car, if you stealing the car, then it's destroyed. So you guys can sell into the chop shop in Gangstar Vegas. It's no problem, guys. No problem. The money is still, I mean, guys, you know. Oh my god. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel, like the video, and we see you guys in the next video.